Yeah, I'm wearing socks and sandals, so what? What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So when we talk about lifts, wheels, tires, suspension, all that kind of stuff, when you upgrade your Jeep, truck, anything like that, you're going to want to upgrade your steering components. So that is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be upgrading the factory steering stabilizer to a more substantial one, and it'll also match all of the factory shocks as well, because we went with the Fox steering stabilizer for the JL. So you can see we only have single box because right now there aren't a lot of steering stabilizers on the market that have a dual steering stabilizer. So if you can see here on Ryan's truck, he actually has a dual steering stabilizer setup, and I wish that the JL had this, but there aren't a lot of these on the market. So we are just gonna go with the factory replacement that is going to be the Fox shock or Fox steering stabilizer. Down below you can see it's right here. It's pretty low mounted, but this steering stabilizer should not take us very long to install at all. Again, I wish the JL had more options when it comes to at least the dual steering stabilizers. I think it looks a lot better. It'll help with the steering. Obviously, we are going to deal with what we have for right now. The single one will work just fine, and it'll be one heck of an upgrade.
Bust down without the owner.
You guys can see, obviously it only took me 2 bolts to take out. Wasn't that hard at all. Ryan did have a tip on this one. The one that's closest to the wheel here, going vertical, it has a square head. You zoom in now. Focus, focus. So you're going to want to hold this down when you are taking off the 18 on the bottom. Otherwise this will come up and just spin, so you won't be able to take this off. But out with the old, in with the new. Yeah, she's going.
Yeah, look how sturdy that thing is there.
Oh.
You really stick that bolt in when it slides out.
Yeah, it's going pretty slow, sorry. We have the new stabilizer installed. 2 18s, one here and one here. But that install only took approximately 5 minutes. Less than that, honestly. Yeah, just getting my first look under here. I wish they had a dual steering stabilizer setup. It'd just look so much cleaner if there was 2, but I'm happy with the one. The compression on that, I don't know if you guys saw it when I was trying to compress it to make sure those holes lined up over here. That compression was already much stronger than the factory Rubicon one. Oh, you know it already comes with a sticker. But as you can see, super easy install, less than 200 bucks. I will leave a link in the description as well as the part number if you can't find it at that link. Either Amazon or Quadratech or somewhere that has the steering stabilizer for the JL. Very easy install, as you can see, just 2 bolts and you can take it off and put the new one right back on, no problem. And looking at my wheel well here, you can see it down there, matches all of the other shocks, so 5 that match looks okay to me. Wish there, again, I wish there was a dual steering stabilizer setup for the JL, but I'm happy with the one that is on there right now. Again, the compression was very good. It's going to help with any kind of bump steer or anything like that, and that they match all of the other shocks. So we have other updates. Other updates are tires are in. You guys saw that in the last video. Wheels will be here. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, wheels will be here this week. We do have another surprise video coming next. I honestly was not expecting this to show up at all, so that was just totally unexpected. So we'll install those tomorrow. Again, cutting it pretty close here to Jeep Beach. I'm really hoping that they show up here this week. I don't want to be showing up to Jeep Beach 17s and 33s on a 2.5-inch lift with all this space because of the new fenders. Really need to fill those out within the next couple days and get some miles on the wheels, make sure everything is okay before we take it on a 1,700-mile road trip down to Florida. Like, if you ever see the TV shows where it's like, oh, you know, Daytona Crunch, Jeep Beach Crunch, SEMA Crunch, this like literally is Jeep Beach Crunch. I have no idea if these wheels are going to show up this week, and I would be very happy if they do, and we will be all set. I'll be nice and relaxed for Jeep Beach. We can just chill. If any of you guys are going, hit me up in the comments below. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll be there most of the week. Ryan will also be there with me as well. So if you want a chance to meet Ryan, if you follow him as well. Those are the updates for my wheels and tires. Jeep Beach coming up here soon. Super easy install with the steering stabilizer. So that'll do it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.